Welcome to MG Global Properties. Today we are in Hafizpet location, Hyderabad. Here we having 2 BHK and 3 BHK flats for sale in this property. This property is totally 17.5 acres property, and 2 BHK starts from 1250 to 1270. East facing and west facing is both available. 3 BHK starts from 1670 to 1880 square feet. It's totally 1800 units project. It's a huge project in this Kondapur in Hafizpet area. The height will be G+14 for this project, and 30% is construction and 50% is 30% is construction and 70% is open. 2024 December they are going to hand over this project to the customers, and the clubhouse will be 50,000 square feet SFT. Coming to the hospital, Pranama Hospital is 3 kilometers from here, and the KIMS Hospital and Archana Hospital, multi-specialty hospital, is just 2 kilometers from here. Coming to the schools, Vignan School is just 2 kilometers. Santa School is 2 kilometers from here. Coming to the workspaces, DLF Road and Gachibowli is just 8 kilometers from here. High Tech City is just 10 kilometers from here. The cost would be 7,300 per SFT. For better cost, contact us. Thank you.